Let's take a look at this example. Again, we have half adder. We have two inputs, input A, and I have input B. And these are my outputs. I'm going to extend them a little bit. So this is going to be my carry out, and this is my sum. Okay, so we have again addition A plus B. Okay, where A is equal 1 and B is also equal 1. So 1 plus 1 is binary 2. Okay, so I have 1 0. Okay, so I'm going to write this over here. So this is 1 0. 1 plus 1 is equal to. Keep in mind that the sum is going to always be my least significant bit, and carry out is going to be always my most significant bit. And this is the solution to my problem.